Today we are synthesizing 2,4-dinitroanisole from anisole. For that reaction, we need to prepare a mixed acid using 5 ml concentrated H2SO4 and 5 ml concentrated HNO3, that is sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So we have to do this reaction inside chemical hood. So this is the chemical hood where we will do that reactions, and inside the chemical hood we have all the reagent. So this is the anisole, concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid, measuring cylinder, conical flask and beaker. And as this nitration reaction is needed low temperature, so we have to use ice bath. So this is the ice bath. So first we are making the mixed acid solution using 5 ml H2SO4 and 5 ml HNO3. So first we have taken 5 ml concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid obviously bad for skin, so we have to be careful. And then we take that amount of concentrated sulfuric acid in a 100 ml conical flask. Now we will add concentrated nitric acid to this concentrated sulfuric acid. So we are taking 5 ml concentrated nitric acid. So we are adding concentrated nitric acid to concentrated sulfuric acid. Slowly. And now we have to cool the mixed acid solution in the ice bath. And now after few minutes, so we have to add anisole 0.5 ml to this mixed acid solution. So for that purpose, we are using a graduated pipette. So we will pipette out 0.5 ml anisole So we have added that anisole in the mixed acid solution. Slowly with stirring. So you can see already a dark color appeared. So nitration had started, and we have to do this reaction inside the hood in ice bath for another 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we are just warming the reaction mixture at 40 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade, that means in almost our body temperature, close to our body temperature. So it is gentle heating, so it's not a strong heating, otherwise the reaction mixture will churn. So for few minutes we will heat it, and then we will add this a drop of the solution on water. So if turbidity appears, that means our compound has formed, because we have started with all the materials that's a liquid state. So sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid, anisole, all were liquid. So but we will add now this reaction mixture on a beaker containing cold water. So if the turbidity appears, that means the reaction completed. So we are heating gently 40 degrees centigrade. Yes, so turbidity is coming, so the reaction is almost done. So we will now pour the whole reaction mixture slowly in this 200 ml ice water solution, cold water. You see that dinitroanisole precipitates are coming out from the water solution. So we have added the complete reaction mixture slowly in cold water, and we got the precipitate of 2,4-dinitroanisole. To make the coagulation better, we'll scratch the side of the beaker, so the precipitate will make bigger coagulate, and that will help in filtration process. So now we have nice precipitate of 2,4-dinitroanisole, and we are filtering this using the aspirator. So this is the aspirator. So inside aspirator there is a motor pump, and this is the Buchner funnel. So we are filtering the 2,4-dinitroanisole precipitate using this aspirator and Buchner funnel. So we will wash it with cold water. See, this is the light yellow color precipitate of 2,4-dinitroanisole that we have synthesized. So now we will dry this 2,4-dinitroanisole as much as possible, and then we will characterize by thin layer chromatography and UV visible spectroscopy. And we will recrystallize a part of this precipitate using ethanol. Just a half of the precipitate will dissolve in 1 ml of ethanol. We will heat little bit to make a clear solution, and then we will keep for 5 minutes, and it will prepare nice crystal of 2,4-dinitroanisole.